what's up everyone? It's Davey with USA Roofing and Gutters. I want to show you a project that we're working on right now behind me. This is a church here in Birmingham, Alabama. I want to show you a shingle that we're installing on this roof today. So this is Owens Corning Duration Shingle. This is a really high-grade shingle made by Owens Corning, and it has patented technology called the Owens Corning Sure Nail Strip. And this is actually the nail line. So all the nails that get put into the shingle will go through this nail strip, and this secures the shingle. It's a little bit stronger than your average shingle, but also it helps you prevent nail pops. Nail pops occur when the changing of the seasons cause your decking on your roof to contract and expand and move around. And usually this causes issues with your nails, so start wiggling around, they start moving, and sometimes they can even penetrate up back through the shingle. And the Owens Corning Duration Shingle with the patented technology of the Sure Nail Strip helps prevent that long term. So give us a call today. Let's see if we can get you set up on an Owens Corning Duration Shingle with the Sure Nail Strip technology for your home.